All right. Let's go. Come on. Let's walk this way. Come on. Hey, Copper, that's our mud pit. Say that's our mud pit.
Not your mud pit.
I know.
And then I idea.
What's your idea? You gonna go down the slide with them?
No.
What are you gonna do? Let me see. Let me see it go down. Oh, it crashed.
No.
You need another one?
Yeah.
Here. What about the mud? What about the mud pit?
No way. I took a pig.
Let me see. All right. Let me see you slide down. Go. You got it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Come on. Look, get the Patriot, get the Monster Jam truck, and then get the Alien Invasion. Come on. Let's play in the mud. Come on.
I did one too.
Yeah.
Over here. Yeah, he got muddy wheels.
Who has muddy wheels? I know they got muddy wheels. Look at them.
Now you got him.
Oh no. This one's a girl monster truck. Queen Carnage. She got all muddy. Look at her wheels. Oh man. But it's alright. She's a monster truck, so she can't get stuck. She can't get stuck.
You got him.
I know, that's Gravedigger. He has his wheelie bar behind him, so he can do wheelies like this. Let me see him. Oh yeah, he's muddy. Look at him. Go. I know it. Look at him. Where are you going? Where'd you find a dandelion?
How are you going to do something?
Let me see. There we go.
You went to something, Grandma.
I did.
You went to a playground.
I did wait for a playground and look. There it is.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. There he goes. All right, here goes Amelia. Go. Woo! All right. Come on.
Now let's go play the mud.
I know we got all of our monster trucks here.
And look, and we got the big.
Oh man, look, this alien one's pretty cool. He must have came from outer space. This must be an outer space one. Look, this is good. Monster Jam's gonna go in there. Bam. Oh no, they ran over each other. Wow. Look at this one. Which one is this one? This is called Megalodon. Oh man, this one's a shark one. When it goes Crusher, oh no. Oh no, they knocked him out of the ring. Here goes Queen Rampage. Or Carnage. Oh. She got hit too. Look at this one. This one's a nice cool Hot Wheels one. Let's see who can jump the highest. Let's see who can jump over this.
That's the walk.
Let me see. Bam. He's gonna go. Ooh, ooh. Hey, Copper, grab a monster truck. Tell Copper to grab a monster truck with his paw. Go on, Copper, get one. Copper doesn't. The Copper can't play because he doesn't have hands. He only got paws.
Oh, he got it.
Oh no. Let's see who can get him out. Maybe, who's a good strong one? Ooh, maybe Zombie can get him out. Let's see if Zombie can get him out. Ooh, Crusher says, hey, thanks, Zombie. I really appreciate that. Thank you. You're the best. Oh no. Ugh. Oh, maybe they can go up that ramp right here. Maybe some of them can go up the slide. What do you think?
How about you? Because you have many you.
They can go up the slide, or maybe they can ride around in the grass like this. Look. Oh no! Look, here goes one going on Copper's tail. Let me see. Crush is fast. No, he didn't make it. Let me see if the red Hot Wheel one can make it. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Crusher made it. Look, I have to push him up like this. Come on, Mel. Ah, maybe you can make it. What are you doing? Making a mud puddle? I thought we were gonna wash your monster trucks. What are my monster trucks?
I'll jump in it.
You want to jump in it? Fine. Fine.
I like the most baby.
What are you trying to wash off? That piece of mud? I know. What happened? Your socks are wet? Well, yeah, your socks are wet because you're jumping in that mud. Look. Oh, no. Listen to, look. Look, the Patriots gonna jump this ramp right here. Oh, no. The water got me. That one crashed. Oh, look. The Megalodon, he can swim in the water, so he's fine. He's a shark. Look, the water doesn't bother him. Watch. He likes the water. What about Buster? Buster?
Yeah.
What about Buster? Let me see. You're getting all wet, silly. And then look at the grave digger. He's gonna make a wheelie over it. Look.
Hey, look at his mud tires.
I know, look at those muddy tires. You gonna wash them off? No, these are monster trucks. They like being dirty. What about your bucket? You're wet in the house floor. You're wet in the house floor. Oh yeah, look, they're gonna get all muddy. Zombie and the grave digger. You got that one. That one got in your eye. Right.
Yeah, I like it.
You like that one? Why don't you jump in the puddle again?
Hey,
There's a lot of water right there.
yeah.
Let me see. You got a little small puddle. Your socks are all wet now, huh? You like getting everything wet? Yeah. He didn't make it? Oh no, he didn't make it. What about this guy? What about Zombie?
I don't know.
Let me see. Let me see him jump it. And she goes, rah.
Oh, he died in mud.
Watch this one. Ooh, that one crashed. That one landed on all fours. All right. What did you do there, Emilio? A bunch of rocks or what?
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing? You're gonna go rock crawling, huh? Look. Wow. Big. Oh no. There goes the giant cat. All right. Here goes the giant baby. He's gonna step on the monster trucks. No. Crush. Oh no, here goes the giant dog again. The giant copper dog. Copper. Ooh, Copper is stinky. Copper, you had a bath not too long ago. Here, let's play with these. Oh, the giant baby!
Get out!
Watch out! Monster trucks, watch out! Step on him. You gonna crush him? Okay. He's too quick for you. Alrighty. I think we'll end it here. Alright, so see you next time.
See you next time. And I hope you enjoyed. You had new parents. And then there's a band of Mama and here. And they'll play you.
Alrighty.